Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the beginners class at the Kenn Centre on the 31st of January 2023. We did a first move, a step across, a catapult and a basket, and if you need teaching details for any of those moves, there are links to the teaching clips for each of those in the description below. Now we're going to show you how they all went together. It went, starting with the first move, 7 and 8. Back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, return for the step across. We went underneath, prep the catapult where we went sweep, lean to the side, spin and catch, two hands for the basket, little twist on the step back, wrap, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and just step back left to right, exactly what you need to go back to the top and into the first move. I hope you find what we're doing useful. If you do like what we're doing, like, subscribe and hit the bell. For everyone who does that, thank you, thank you, thank you, because it does help promote the channel. And in the last few seconds of the video, there's windows that come up. Some of them are for recommended videos to look at next. One of them will be for a music recommendation of something nice to practice this routine to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.